Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, good morning, everyone. How are you today? Okay, alhamdulillahirobbilalamin. Yo, I think it's better if we make a dua first. Okay, please, Nara, dua, please.
Everyone, before we study, let's pray
Together. Pray begin. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi jikni ilman nafi'an wa dukni man. Amin. Okay, thank you, Nara. Okay, I will check our attendance list. Please pay attention when I mention your name ya. 78. Ahmad Jaki. Oke. Alteja. Absent. Oke. Andini Putri. Oke. Anindia Putri Zizi. Oke. Areta. She was sick. Oke. Aris. Oke. Atia Jilan. Oke. Aureli. Audrina. Ayu Permatasari. Oke. Azila Meida. Azam. Oke. Chandra Nauli. Christian. Dimas. Faiza. Fatan. Fatih. Where's Fatih? Dispen. Oke. Faira. Where's Faira? Faira. Firdian. Ganim. Oke. Haila. Ilyas. Oke, Ilyas. Ina. Jihan. Where's Jihan? Dispen ya? Oke. Kalila. Keisa. Oke, Keisa. Kansa. Oke, Kansa. Kinara. Oke. Laude. Mahira. Where's Mahira? Formation ya? Mahja. Oke, Mahja. Muhammad Dafa. Muhammad Rafa. Hakim. Musikal Islami. Oke. Nadifa. Naila. Oke. Onadio. Rahman. Satar. Virginia. Regita. Java. Oke. Jahra. Where's Jahra? She was sick. Okay. Okay, thank you. Now kita lihat. I will ask you, are you ready to study? Ready to study? Okay, good. Bentar ya. Ya, Pak Haji. Ya, bentar. Okay, yuk. Today we are going to discuss about Bekantan. Yeah, I think you have known Bekantan. Who knows Bekantan? Who knows Bekantan? Nara, what did you know about Bekantan?
Bekantan is a proboscis wolf.
Bekantan is proboscis. Okay. Any others? Ada lagi? Okay, Ayu. Okay, Bekantan has long nose. Okay, yuk. We try to get more comprehension about the Bekantan. Yuk, we try. Kita lihat langsung yuk di sini yuk.
For the proboscis monkey, size matters. Nearly 3 feet tall, the males weigh twice as much as the smaller females. And a big nose generates big interest from the ladies. This stretch of mangrove swamps in Borneo is his domain. And here he must watch over his harem. They forage in the trees for young leaves and fruit. Specially adapted large stomachs help them digest the leaves. The youngsters are able to climb higher and stray farther to find food. But these trees are almost out of young leaves. Better prospects are across the river. That's no problem for the monkeys. They have webbed feet to help them swim, and can even walk upright in shallow water. But the monkeys are not the only ones in the river. Crocodiles lurk underneath. This mother knows how to cross quietly and with little splashing. But the youngsters try a different method. Leaping across keeps them out of the water. Mostly. But the noise attracts the croc. And the mother is still midstream. The male spots the crocodile. The large nose resonates the warning call, amplifying it over the noise of the water. The mother turns. The croc moves in for the kill. But this time, the croc must search elsewhere. The mother was just a touch quicker, winning by a nose.
Okay, interesting. Is proboscis unique monkey? Yeah, proboscis is a unique monkey. He can swim, he can jump to the tree. Yeah. Okay, we continue. Tuh, salah satu dari ciri fisik Bekantan apa kira-kira? Long nose, okay. The character of Bekantan. What? Okay, long tail. Yeah. What else? Web feet. Okay, good. And I think you have known Bekantan is the mascot of Kalimantan. Okay. Yuk, I will give you pretest ya. Please take your mobile phone. Please take your mobile phone. I will share the link into our group. Please kerjakan ya, tolong. I will share. Bentar. Silakan.
Saatnya jam ketiga dimulai.
It's time for the third hour to start.
Udah? Oke, mulai. Okay, can we start now? Yeah, we start. Ya, silakan masuk ke ruang kuisis, sudah? Join our quiz. Have you done? Udah? Play live coba. Bisa nggak? Start. Nah ini udah, langsung start. Bisa nggak? Tuh, udah mulai masuk. Siapa lagi? Ayo, silakan. Ya. I will give you 5 minutes ya. Sinyal. Salah kan, balik. Nah, balik keluar dulu. Balik keluar dulu, Kak. Close dulu. Okay. Yeah, I will stop the quizzes. It's okay. Okay, I will stop the quizzes. Yeah. Oke, yuk please kembalikan lagi handphone kalian. Sudah? Kita masuk ke pembelajaran inti kita ya. Setelah tadi kalian mengetahui sedikit tentang proboscis atau bekantan. Nah, kita masuk ke kegiatan inti kita, yaitu kita masuk ke page 20 and 21. Please open your book 20 and 21. Chapter 1. Chapter 1, Exploring Fauna of Indonesia. Unit 1 is talking about bekantan. And now, you have know about the learning objectives. Ya, tujuan pembelajaran. Please, siapa ya di sini? Dapat. Baca, Kak. Baca. Ya, learning objective, page 21. Ya. Learning objective. Nggak apa-apa, Kak.
Objektif. Open and
Okay, Nara. Could you help your friend, please? Learning objectives.
Learning objectives. Upon completion of Chapter 1, you should be able to 1. Talk about an animal native to Indonesian wildlife. 2. Identify specific information about Indonesian wildlife. And 3. Describe characteristics and features of an animal.
Okay, you find completion of chapter 1, you should be able to. Ini tujuan pembelajaran kalian untuk apa sih mempelajari ini? The first one is talk about an animal native to Indonesian wildlife. Untuk mempelajari yang namanya hewan-hewan asli Indonesia. And then the second one, identify specific information about Indonesian wildlife. Kita mengidentifikasikan yang namanya hewan-hewan liar di Indonesia. Identifikasi itu seperti apa? Nah, kita hari ini adalah tentang bekantan. And then number 3, describe karakteristiknya. And then seperti bentuknya, terus sifat-sifatnya dan sebagainya. Oke, yuk. We jump to page 22 and 23. Look at the picture and answer the question to follow. What animal is it? Bekantan. What do you know about this animal?
It is a proboscis monkey.
Apa? Okay. What else? What do you know about this animal?
Its weight is about 6 to 22 kilograms. And the height is around 55 to 76 centimeters.
Long tail ya, salah satunya ya. Okay, and then can you name other animals native to Indonesian wildlife? Ada nggak nama ini yang lainnya? Proboscis. Okay, yuk. I will play the audio. Now we are going to listen to page 24. Listen to audio 1.1. Andre and Monita are talking about bekantan physical features. Then fill the gap. See the word box. Kita ini dulu ya. Kita play dulu ya. Chapter 1, unit berapa itu? Unit 1 ya?
Chapter 1, Unit 1, Section 2A, Audio 1.1, Part 1. What's in a name? This is Bekantan.
Monita, what are you reading?
Bekantan. I think I am going to talk about this primate for my science project next week.
Ooh, it's the reddish-brown monkey with a long and big nose, right?
Yes, and Bekantan is quite big. Its weight is about 6 to 22 kilograms, and its height is around 55 to 76 centimeters. Interestingly, its tail is almost as long as its body.
What a tail! Hey, look! The book says Bakantan is a proboscis monkey.
Pardon? What monkey?
Proboscis monkey. It means a long-nosed monkey.
An interesting name, but hard to say.
It also has another name, Nasalis larvatus.
Wait, I should take notes. Bekantan is a type of primate. Its common name is
Proboscis monkey.
Right, thanks, proboscis monkey. And its scientific name is Nasalis larvatus.
Diproduksi oleh Pusat Perbukuan Badan Standar Kurikulum dan Asesmen Pendidikan, Kementerian Pendidikan, Kebudayaan, Riset dan Teknologi.
Okay, I will repeat ya. I will repeat.
Chapter 1, Unit 1, Section 2A, Audio 1.1, Part 1. What's in a name? This is Bekantan.
Monita, what are you reading?
Bekantan. I think I am going to talk about this primate for my science project next week.
Ooh, it's the reddish-brown monkey with a long and big nose, right?
Yes, and Bekantan is quite big. Its weight is about 6 to 22 kilograms, and its height is around 55 to 76 centimeters. Interestingly, its tail is almost as long as its body.
What a tail! Hey, look! The book says Bakantan is a proboscis monkey.
Pardon? What monkey?
Proboscis monkey. It means a long-nosed monkey.
An interesting name, but hard to say.
It also has another name, Nasalis larvatus.
Wait, I should take notes. Bekantan is a type of primate. Its common name is
Proboscis monkey.
Right, thanks, proboscis monkey. And its scientific name is Nasalis larvatus.
Okay. Okay, after you listen to the audio of Andra and Monita, we try to answer and fill the gap. See the word box. Look at page 24. Bekantan is reddish brown, monkey with a long and big nose. Its blah blah blah. Its weight is about 6 up to 20 kilogram. And then its height is around
55 to 76 centimeters.
Okay, blah 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 means long-nosed monkey.
Proboscis
Okay, Bekantan is type of
primate.
primate. Okay, its scientific name is
Nasalis larvatus.
Nasalis lapartus. Okay, excellent. Yo, next audio. Audio 1.2. Andre and Monita talking about the habitat of Bekantan. Page 27. Silakan. Perhatikan baik-baik.
Chapter 1, Unit 1, Section 2B, Audio 1.2, Part 2, Habitat. Where does it live?
Bakantans are from Borneo, right? So we can find them in Indonesia, Malaysia, and Brunei.
Yes, but we can find them mostly on the Indonesian side.
Really?
Yes, that is why Bekantans are used as the icon of Banjarmasin, South Kalimantan.
Well, I believe we can find these monkeys in Borneo forests.
specifically in mangroves. You know, mangroves are a type of rainforest that meets the sea.
So, Bakantans live in mangrove trees.
Yes, they like spending most of their time in trees. See this fact? Bacantans are grouped as arboreal animals.
Say again? Are the arboreal? Animals that eat, sleep, and play in trees.
Okay, I will repeat ya.
Chapter 1, Unit 1, Section 2B, Audio 1.2, Part 2, Habitat. Where does it live?
Bakantans are from Borneo, right? So we can find them in Indonesia, Malaysia, and Brunei.
Yes, but we can find them mostly on the Indonesian side.
Really?
Yes, that is why Bacantans are used as the icon of Banjarmasin, South Kalimantan.
Well, I believe we can find these monkeys in Borneo forests.
Right, specifically in mangroves. You know, mangroves are a type of rainforest that meets the sea.
So, Bakantans live in mangrove trees.
Yes, they like spending most of their time in trees. See this fact? Bacantans are grouped as arboreal animals.
Say again? Are the arboreal? Animals that eat, sleep, and play in trees.
Okay. Okay, thank you. After you listen to audio 1.3, Andre and Monica talking about the Bacantans behaviors. Now we try to discuss to choose true or false from this sentence. Number one is already for you, yeah? Yes, number one, we can find Bekantan mostly in Kalimantan. True, okay. Bekantans are the mascot of the capital city of South Kalimantan. Okay, there are not many Bekantan in Borneo Forest. Okay, Nara, please read number 4.
Mangroves are rainforests that meet the mountain.
Mangroves are rainforests that meet the mountain. True or false? False. Okay. Number 5. Please, who want to read? Who want to read? Number 5. Kak, you please. Number 5. Okay, number 5. Animals that live in trees are called arboreals. True or false? Okay. Eat, sleep, right? Play. It's called arboreals. Number 6. Bekantan usually eat, sleep, and play on the trees. True. Okay. Thank you, Will. We next to part 3. The audio 1.4. 1.4.
Chapter 1, Unit 1, Section 3A, Audio 1.3, Part 3, Behaviors and Diet.
Oh, sorry. Nice.
Chapter 1, Unit 1, Section 3C, Audio 1.4, Part 4, Predator and Threat. Bekantan is endangered. Did you know that Bekantans are endangered?
Oh no. Why? But the book says Bakantans can live up to 20 years in the wild. So what makes them endangered?
Well, many predators, such as crocodiles, leopards, monitor lizards, and pythons, eat Bekantans. But the major threat is habitat destruction.
It means they lose their homes, their mangrove trees.
Sadly, Human activities make their homes disappear.
To save Bacantans, we have to save the mangroves.
I agree with you. So, what animals are you going to talk about in our science project next week?
Diproduksi oleh Pusat Perbukuan Badan Standar Kurikulum dan Asesmen Pendidikan, Kementerian Pendidikan, Kebudayaan, Riset dan Teknologi, tahun
Oke, part 4, Predator and Threat, Bekantan is endangered. Kita sudah listeningnya kita sudahi, kita lanjut ke make a group. Kita akan buat grup ya. Please we make a group. Silakan berbagi grup dengan temannya. Mungkin yang depan bisa ke belakang. Sudah? Nah, oke. Bisa ke belakang, Kak? Silakan. Nah, what we have to do, apa yang kalian lakukan, please. Kalian tadi sudah kan mempelajari dari tentang bekantan. Nah, sekarang tolong please dari setiap grup kalian bikin short paragraph ya. Bikin short paragraph. Paragrafnya tentang yang pertama adalah part 1. Want to choose part 1, yaitu adalah tentang bekantan. And then yang kedua itu tentang habitat. And then yang part 3-nya itu tentang behavior and diets. And yang keempat ada predator dan threat. Silakan pilih mana yang mau kalian. Oke. Thank you, Ayu. Yeah, who wants to choose part 1, part 2, or part 3 and part 4? Silakan. Make short paragraph. Bikin paragraph tentang yang tadi sudah kita pelajari. Oke, make a group aja silakan. Ayo, I give you 15 minutes. Bapak kasih 15 menit.
Do we write it in our own?
Yeah, of course, on your notebook.
One per group.
One per group. One per group, ya, only one per group. Satu aja. Sekarang pilih mana mau yang part 2, part 3, or part 4. Ya, silakan. 15 menit ya, 15 menit, I think enough. Yeah, one book for one group. Okay. Which part do you want to discuss? Part 1. How about this? Part 2. Okay. How about this group? Part 4. Okay, make it. How about this? Part 3. Yeah, discuss to your group. Yeah, make a paragraph. Come on. Finish. Have you finished group 1? How about you? Finish? Ayu? How about this group? Finish? Not yet. How about this? Have you finished? Okay. Ya, 5 minutes. Bentar lagi, 5 menit lagi. How about this? Finish. Okay. Setelah ini kita presentasikan ya. Finish yuk. You can add with your own sentence ya, not only into your book. Tidak harus dalam buku. Ya, kalian bisa tambahkan kira-kira apa yang mau ditambahkan dalam paragraf itu. Silakan. Five minutes later ya. Okay, time is up. Ready? Okay, we start from Naras group. Silakan. Naras. No, only one person or two person silakan. Ya. Ya. Pegang Kak.
Ngomongnya at the same time.
Ya.
Oh.
Okay, yuk, listen to Naras groups. Halo, pay attention to Naras group. Silakan. Berdua boleh, perwakilan berdua. Silakan. Sini aja, sini Kak. Sini. Ah, oke. Ya. Shh. Pay attention to Naras group. Silakan, Kak.
Okay, so based on the part 3 behaviors
Based
and
on the
diet,
part 3. Okay. Shh.
part 3 behaviors and diet dialogue, Bacantans move with their limbs. They can climb, hang, and move around with their limbs. Because they live near the sea, they are also good swimmers.
They can swim well because they have a skin membrane on their feet and hands. Bacantans eat almost all parts of the plant. They consume young leaves, fruits, and flowers.
Okay, they consume young leaf, flowers, and fruit.
Fruits.
Okay, thank you. Give applause for Lara Group. Thank you. Next, Ayu from Ayu Group wants to read the paragraph. Silakan. Ayo, Ayu and Regita. Ayo, it's okay. With Regita. Ayo, it's okay. Just read your paragraph. Silakan. Dua, yuk. Silakan, Kak. Silakan dong baca. We are from
We are from group 1.
okay. Shh. Pay attention please. Regita, ngapain ngumpet sih, Tak?
Judulnya.
Ayo.
This is bekantan.
Yang kenceng nggak?
It's a reddish brown monkey with a long tail and big nose. Its weight is about 6 to 22 kilograms and its height is around 55 to 76 centimeters. Bekantan is a type of primate. Its
Finish.
common name is proboscis monkey and its scientific name is Nasalis lavartus.
Okay, the scientific name?
Is Nasalis
Nasalis
larvatus.
Lavartus. Okay, give applause for Ayus. Thank you. Christian, from Christian Group. Silakan. Siapa aja? Ya, it's okay. Kedua, mana lagi? Christian and come on. Ayo. Silakan. It's okay. Yuk. Just read. Berdua yuk. Ayo. Apa-apa, ayo. It's okay. Okay, listen to Christian groups. Come on, baca. What part?
Part 2.
Part 2. Okay. Shh.
Part 2 habitat. Becantans are from Borneo and we can find them in Indonesia, Malaysia and Brunei. But we can find them mostly on Indonesia side. Bekantan are used as the icon of the Banjarmasin.
Okay, the icon of Banjarmasin. Good.
Lu baca yang ini.
Banjarmasin, South Kalimantan. Bekantan live in mangrove trees. The face bekantan are grouped as arboreal animal.
Arboreal animal. Okay. And then
Bekantans are eat, sleep, and play in mangrove trees.
Okay, that's why it's called arboreal. Okay, give applause for Christian. Thank you. Ya, the next. Lanjut, siapa? Patan Groups, come on. Silakan.
Bekantan, also known as proboscis monkey, face serious dangers in the wild, while natural predators such as crocodiles, leopard, monitor lizards, and pythons hunt them. The biggest threat comes from human activities. Their habitat destruction, especially the loss of mangroves forest, causes Bekantans to lose their homes.
Saatnya istirahat.
Without mangroves, they have fewer places to live, hide, or find food. If we want to save Bekantans, we must protect these mangrove trees and prevent further destruction.
Destruction. Okay, thank you.
Destruction.
Give applause for Patan Group. Thank you, Patan. Yeah, part 4, Patan groups is talking about predator, right? Yeah, predator. The predator of Bekantan, like crocodile, leopard, python. But the major predator is human or deforestation. Yeah. Okay. Any question? Ada pertanyaan? If you have any question? Okay. Our reflection today is what have you learned about Bekantan's physical feature? What you have learned about Bekantan? The icon of Banjarmasin. Where is Banjarmasin located? Okay. So you have known about the Bekantan, predator, where they live, right? And then what else?
What they eat.
What they eat. Okay, good. I will give you a Padlet, ya. I will give you Padlet to give a reflection. Untuk memberikan refleksi kamu seperti apa pembelajaran hari ini. Nanti bakal Bapak share di grup ya. Untuk pembelajaran hari ini seperti apa kalian. Nanti kalian tulis ditanya what you have learned, what you want to get more knowledge about this Bekantan, and then perasaan kamu, what do you feel after you study in our class. Setelah itu baru kalian posting di Padlet nanti. Nanti Bapak akan share di situ. Bapak rasa cukup? I think enough. Thank you very much. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.